How do you create the pushing effect in DaVinci Resolve? Gather your village people. Let me show you how. The pushing effect is used to make videos a lot more engaging and interesting to watch. There are different ways you can achieve it in different editing softwares, but one of the easiest ways to do it in DaVinci Resolve is what I'm going to show you right about now. So open DaVinci Resolve and let's get into it. With your clip on your timeline, what you do is you move your slider to the beginning of the clip or the point where you want the pushing to start from. Let's say, for example, I want it to start from this point. I move my slider to this point and then I go to my inspector tab and hit the keyframe. Now, to get this keyframe, what you do is you don't just hit on the zoom, you hit on both the zoom and the position. So you select them. What has happened now is that a keyframe has been created at that point in the timeline. You can see it here. You can move 10 frames forward, then go to your zoom, scale it to about 1.200. Go to your position, drop it down, and make sure that it is properly aligned. And you see that another keyframe has already been created automatically. What you now do is come on this second keyframe, right-click on it, then ease in. Play it, and this is what you have. It is slow, right? What you can do now is to adjust it, move it a little closer together to increase the speed. And then you have this. You can decide to add sound effects to add some more flair to it, but that is just basically about all. Yep. That'll be all for this video. Until the next video, don't forget to continue to learn, create, until you become.